I'm good.
I'm gonna eat some smoked fish here in a minute. Hey, if you can pull me up a half one, I'd be happy. Yeah, just give me and Dan half one.
You can talk now. Now you can talk.
Yeah, Mr. Hogfish.
You got him, buddy.
Nice one. Just use short pumps. Pump reel. Pump reel. There you go. Pump reel. There you go. There you go. If he gets under the boat. Yeah, that's a mutton. First mutton on the boat. We ain't on the boat yet. Small one. Where's the mutton? Yeah, he's here. Little one. That's a mutton. Baby mutton for the mutton.
What you got, Rick?
Rick, you got to get down here. I can't reach down there. Little mutton. That's what we pathetic mutton. Come on, Jim. Something's on him, something's on him. Something's on him, keep reeling. Oh, it's a silver.
No, it's a triggerfish.
Oh, hell yeah. Something you could brag about. No, Rick caught one on the boat. When he gets on the boat, you skip down. Oh, that's right. Yeah, there you go. You got him. One more. Easy. Slow. Don't pull him out of the water. I need to get after that one.
Yeah. That's what I wanted to see. Get him, Rick.
Get on the back of the boat, Rick. Get on the back. Oh, man. Something big, right? Yeah.
I'm good.
I'll be damned. Look at what I got me.
That's a mangrove.
That's a mangrove. Put his ass in the box.
I think you can throw that little one back.
What's that? What's that?
That's bait, man. That's bait.
I'll tell you, fish coming up. They're gonna be home. Push me on it. Might need to walk forward a little bit. Let's see. Get up here. Yep. He's going for it. Sit down with you, little boat. Sit down, keep sitting down. That's a nice button. Oh, here, that's a risky button. Oh, that's the biggest fish on the boat. Damn, man. That's a mutt. That's a mutt, man. That's what you're supposed to catch right there. You can see it? You got it? I got it. The tip on the thing. The tip on the. I couldn't think of the name. Sorry. Decent. Not a monster, but decent. Oh, you got the audio on? Jim.
Oh yeah, it's always on, man. Watch him out.
Grab the That's a big old mutt. 30 pounds. Heavy.
Oh yeah.
There's a mutt anyway.
All our hits have been in 50
Can we
feet.
throw that back because it was after the call? I mean, I'm trying to clarify.
I can do it.
Hang in there, Dan. Suck it up.
Yours on the boat. Yeah, hey Bobby, I got your line.
What you got there, Rick? What's the size on strawberries?
Don't suck the swivel up at the tip. He's up, he's up. That shrimp is small.